Coleen Rooney has begun giving evidence as the libel trial between herself and Rebecca Vardy continues today at London's High Court. On the stand, Coleen said her now famous 2019 social media post was a last resort. Rebecca Vardy's lawyer, Hugh Tomlinson QC, asked her what she wanted to achieve from the post. Coleen said, "I wasn't achieving anything. What I wanted was to stop the person who is leaking my private information to the Sun." She told the court that she had given out warnings many times, but it didn't stop, and the social media post was her last resort. Coleen added that she was surprised by how much interest her social media post caused. "Obviously it was going to get picked up by the media," she said, explaining that her life had been covered by the media for the last 20 years no matter how big or small something was. Asked by Mr. Tomlinson if she had a large loyal following on social media, Coleen replied, "I have a large following, yes, loyal I'm not too sure about." Mr. Tomlinson put it to Coleen that it must have been obvious to her that the October 2019 post would have made Rebecca Vardy subject to abuse. Coleen replied, "No, that was not my intention at all, not at all. It's not in my nature to." Coleen said it was a regular occurrence that she would be messaged by Rebecca when there was press coverage surrounding herself. Coleen Rooney's wife told the High Court that Rebecca is not in her circle. She added, "I felt like when she contacted me it was to try and get information out of me." Coleen claimed that she received messages from Rebecca when something not nice was going on in her personal life. She said Rebecca's messages were generally nice but added, "Towards the end it was a bit unusual. Someone who was not that close to me. Constantly checking in with me all the time." Mr. Tomlinson then said that it must have been obvious that Rebecca would have received abuse following the post. Coleen replied, "No, that's not my intention at all. I wouldn't ever, it's not in my nature to cause abuse or trolling in any way at all." When asked if she would have tried to mitigate any abuse with a post, Coleen replied, "Maybe I would have liked to have said that, but I have never been in a court, I have never been in a legal case before, this is the first time I have gone under instruction of my legal team."